The fastest adopters of AI in financial services right now are not lenders, they're criminals. AI first lending will drive speed to offer, speed to completion and fewer fall-throughs. But the bad actors are not waiting for a business case, and the sector is finally starting to wake up to this. Hi, I'm Pete Gatenby, AI Practice Lead here at Novus Strategy. Each month we share what's changing in AI and digital infrastructure for UK lenders and the practical steps that you need to be taking to keep up. AI-driven fraud is scaling at a pace the sector has never seen before. UK Finance reported that fraud losses through the banking system alone exceeded £1 billion in 2025. Voice cloning now takes just 20 seconds of audio. Deepfakes are bypassing ID verification checks that lenders have relied on for years. The tools to do this are getting cheaper and more accessible every single month. This isn't a problem that any single organisation can solve alone. Across the sector, and particularly among mutuals, there's a growing appetite to pool resources, combine expertise and build shared defences. This instinct is correct. The threat is too broad and too fast moving for any lender to tackle in isolation. It's another area where industry-wide collaboration and HDI to operationalise broad fraud protection really begins to shine through. Here's the thing that makes this more than a secondary and security conversation. The same capabilities that make AI dangerous in the wrong hands are what makes it transformative in the right ones. The ability to process documents in seconds, verify ID, detect anomalies, make decisions at speed, that's what criminals are using, and it's exactly what lenders need to build into their own operations. So this isn't a choice between building AI capabilities and defending against AI threats. They're the same conversation. Governed data flows are harder to compromise. Structured digital ID is harder to fake. Systems that produce evidence at every step give you both operational speed and an audit trail that catches bad actors. This is where horizontal digital integration earns its place again. HDI isn't just an efficiency play. When your data flows through verified, governed rails, end to end, you're building resilience at the same time as building capability. Fragmented manual processes are where fraud finds its way in. So 3 things to act on this month. First, review your ID verification stack. If you're still relying on single layer checks, a selfie match, a document scan, that's no longer enough. Deepfakes are beating these systems day in and day out. Look at layered verification, behavioural signals, device intelligence, liveness detection that goes beyond a single frame. Secondly, don't try to fight this alone. If you're a mutual, engage with collective defence conversations happening across the sector. If you're a large lender, look at how you're sharing threat intelligence with your partners and across your supply chain. The organisations that collaborate horizontally will be better protected than those that build walls vertically. Third, get on the AI curve now, while considering your enterprise governance layer. Remember, AI capability is an exponential curve. If you're not already on it, the gap isn't closing, it's widening. Every month you wait makes the climb steeper and steeper. AI readiness isn't just about efficiency, it's about resilience. The lenders who build governed AI capabilities faster are the ones best placed to deliver speed to offer, speed to completion and fewer fall-throughs. They're also the ones best protected against the threats that are already here. AI first lending isn't optional. The bad actors have already decided that. The question is whether you're building your capability fast enough to stay ahead.